So let's talk through this really, really slowly so you guys can see what's going on. So this white line, the structure represents the 4-hour chart, okay? So the 4 hour is bullish, it makes a swing high high. It pulls back to form a swing high low, okay? Once we get that break of structure, that is where we can now confirm that that is a swing low, okay? We only know where the swing low is once we get that break of structure. Then price goes on to make a higher high. So after that break of structure, we anticipate what? We anticipate that the 4 hour chart is going to pull back. So what can we use to potentially tell us that the 4 hour is pulling back? Well, we look for a change of character when the 4 hour takes that internal low, okay? So that's not the swing low. Remember, the swing low is all the way down here. So when price takes out that 4 hour low, the 4 hour chart is now potentially pulling back. Now this blue line represents the M15 chart, okay, the lower time frame. Now not always, but we know a lot of the time that that 4 hour change of character is most likely going to be the M15 changing trend. So that small 4 hour low is likely a swing low on the M15. So when we get that 4 hour change of character, that is very likely the M15 switching bearish, okay? Now, so what we can do at this point is you can see here, I've drawn the premium and discount tool on right here. I've gone from the swing high to the swing low of the M15. And we now wait for the M15 to pull back into the premium, right, of that range. So this is the M15 range that we're playing within, okay, between these two orange lines. So the M15 has now switched bearish, right, aligning itself to anticipate that 4 hour pullback. But we don't just want to jump in short straight away to play the 4 hour pullback. We want to wait for the M15 to pull back up into premium prices,